Let's go harvest together. My garden is starting to look a bit tired, but that's how it is at this time of the year. I'm just slowly kind of plucking things out that look bad, like this. The chickens seem to be enjoying the bad tomatoes and all the spent plants. I'll come through here and throw these in the compost bin. It might be sad that my tomatoes are kind of dying off for the season, but with all these green tomatoes, I can make salsa verde. Let's see if I have jalapenos. I'm so happy to see that my peppers are at least making a comeback after my spring failure. See all the stripes on that one? That one's gonna be really hot then compared to this one. I had some garden failures today, but I made it out with ingredients for salsa verde. They're usually made with tomatillos, but green tomatoes are a great substitute.